The magnetic filter grill system installs as easy as 1, 2, 3. The newly patented magnetic filter grill system frame simply fits in your existing opening and attaches with 2 screws. The inner grill assembly attaches to the frame magnetically for easy installation and can be removed without any tools. Here's how to measure the opening for your new magnetic filter grill. We'll need to measure the inside opening of your existing air duct both vertically and horizontally to choose the size of the magnetic filter grill system you need.